Hi, today I'm with me OPPO Pad Air and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD feature. That's why we should get the Muviz Edge application from the Play Store. That's why enter the Muviz Edge on the search bar and tap the install button. So now we should wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on our device. After that, tap to open the app and here click to draw our apps. Then just find here Move Search application on this list of the apps and click to the switcher. Then just go back and tap here to always on display section and select one from these available thumbs. For example, I'll use this one, click to apply, and now let's just lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully activated the always on display option. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe.